We are happy that we have 2 candidates from Makini schools among the top 10 in the country. One has 427 marks from Kisumu campus, and number 6 from Makini Gong Road had 423. We would like to thank God for the good results that we have received in KCPE 2021. We don't take that for granted. We also take this opportunity to thank our candidates who worked so hard to ensure that they score over 400 marks, and it is evident that most of them have scored 400. We are still receiving the results online, and we are very happy about that. We also take this opportunity to thank our teachers who worked around the clock to ensure that the learners were well prepared for the exam. Not forgetting to thank the parents who worked closely with the teachers to ensure that the learners do well. We can also not forget to thank the management for working behind the curtain to ensure that we receive all the services that we needed to ensure that our learners do well.